All right, let's talk about something that's been making waves in the Web3 space, Vcity. If you've been keeping an eye on the crypto world, you know that blockchain projects come and go all the time. Some of them promise big things, but never deliver. Others just copy paste ideas from existing projects and hope for a pump. But every now and then, something comes along that actually feels different. And that's where today's project comes in. Now, if you've never heard of Vcity, let me break it down for you. This is a social finance metaverse. And I know, whenever people hear the word metaverse, they immediately think of clunky VR headsets and awkward digital avatars. But that's not what Vcity is about. Instead of being just another virtual world where people wander around aimlessly, Vcity is focused on creating a fully functional digital economy. And you're going to see very shortly what I'm talking about. The idea here is simple. Web3 should be more than just trading tokens and flipping NFTs. It should be a space where people can interact, create, and actually build wealth together. And that's exactly what Vcity is trying to do. It combines social networking, finance, and blockchain tech into one big ecosystem. Think of it as a mix between a decentralized Facebook and NFT marketplace and a financial hub, all rolled into one. Now let's talk about what makes this project stand out if we've not talked about it enough. First, there's the Vanguard protocol, which is the blockchain infrastructure that is behind Vcity. It is designed to be fast, scalable, and compatible with Ethereum. That means developers can easily bring their existing dApps into the ecosystem and users get a smooth experience without worrying about slow transactions or high gas fees. But what's even more cooler is the way Vcity integrates culture and community. Most blockchain projects focus entirely on the tech and forget about the people. Vcity is doing the opposite. They're making Web3 feel like a real place where people can hang out, share ideas, and even create digital identities that actually mean something. For example, imagine you're an artist. Instead of just minting an NFT and hoping someone, buys it, you could actually build a following inside Vcity. You can connect with other creators, and you can sell your work in a way that feels more natural. Or if you're into DeFi, you can participate in decentralized trading. You can participate in staking and governance without leaving the platform. Now, let's get into the numbers because this is where things get really interesting. Right now, Vcity has about 1.6 million registered users. That's an insane amount for a Web3 project that's still in early stages. There are already more than 1 million wallet addresses, which means people aren't just signing up, they're actually using the platform. Their NFT sales have crossed $8.5 million. And, at its peak, Vcity had a market valuation of over $100 million. That's the kind of traction you don't see every day in this space. And the hype isn't just limited to the crypto world. Vcity has been mentioned in media over 450,000 times, which shows it's getting attention from mainstream outlets too. That's a big deal because adoption is one of the biggest challenges for any blockchain project. So, where is this all heading? Well, Vcity's roadmap is absolutely packed. They've already launched their testnet with over 10,000 active nodes. That's a pretty solid start. But the real game changer will be the mainnet launch. That's when things get serious. After that, they're aiming for major exchange listings. They're planning for new partnerships and even deeper integration with real-world brands and businesses. Now, we don't know yet which of those brands are going to be or the businesses, but we can definitely keep our hopes up. Now let's talk about the Vcity token, because it's the backbone of the entire ecosystem. Unlike meme coins or speculative tokens that rely purely on hype, this token has real utility. It's used for everything from governance and staking to transactions in the metaverse. Everything that you can imagine, this token will be integrated there. And because of its inbuilt scarcity and structured tokenomics, there's a real incentive for long-term holding rather than just short-term flipping. Now, what makes this token interesting is its diverse use cases. Inside Vcity, you'll be able to use it for digital real estate, NFT trading, and even metaverse-based advertising. On top of that, there's a staking mechanism, which means holders can earn passive income